Problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. The pain is too much. Some more problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Some more problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much.
Okay, Adane, please, you have to stop crying. This your tears is making me feel bad. You can't kill yourself because of your husband's attitude, okay? I can feel your pain. I can feel it. And you just have to stop thinking much about me and Odinaka. Be cool.
How? I'm asking you. Who else do I have on earth if not for you and Odinaka? How? Why will I stop thinking about you people? Each time I go out, people mock me to my face. You know what they're saying? Why can't my husband consider my brothers? Why? You don't get it. Your younger brother, Odinaka, still goes to the bush to hunt up until now. He sleeps with me every day. As in, every minute.
What?
He sleeps with me. He has turned me into a slave. He's really turned me into a sex slave. Okay. No problem. But when he's doing it, why can't he pity me with a merciful heart? Why can't he? Why can't he? Why can't he? Why can't he? Why can't he consider me? Why can't he hear my plea? Why can't he hear my plea?
Adane, please.
Can't he consider me and help my brothers?
Adane.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of the marriage.
I can understand how you feel, but pull yourself together. I can't continue like this. Okay? Don't bother about us. We will survive. Yes, we will. And as for your husband, I will talk to him. I'll walk up to him and I'll talk to him. You're not a sex toy. So he shouldn't deprive you from your peace. Please, you have to stop crying. I will talk to your husband. Pull yourself together. Eh? If you kill yourself now, what will be our fate? Please. Don't worry, we'll survive. Okay, and I wouldn't want to hear that you leave your marriage for anything. It's not a solution at all. Please. And then because stop crying. Oh? And then please.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up there, you church. Eh? Who are you? Oh, you want to prescribe how I should live my life or run my family? Eh? How dare you? How dare you threaten me? Eh? No, Elise. Be careful. Be careful, Elise. Be careful. Oh. You will deal with me. my God. You will deal with me. Let me tell you, a child who does not understand the name of a bird calls it Ojojo. You are threatening me. I will deal with you. You don't know me. You don't know me. All you know is Odile, your sister's husband. That's all you know about me. I will deal with you. How dare you threaten me? Now look, let me tell you. I married your sister. I paid her bride price, and as a result, I can use her anyhow I want, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do about it. Is that understood? Idiot! Get out of my phone! How dare you? Don't worry. I will deal with you. Okay. We shall see. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good afternoon. Please, have your seat. So,
you are such a cute woman. You are so cute. You are every woman's dream. Your wife doesn't know what she has. You are a gold in every woman's heart who doesn't know your worth. Now let me show you this side of heaven specially made for people like you.
Daisy, you are such a beautiful and funny woman.
Thank you so much.
Jeff? Jeff?
So you called?
Get me 4 problems.
Alright, sir.
So, please go back to your seat.
Okay.
So, how is your business doing?
Well, everything is moving on well. With you.
Good. I can see it all over you. Alright?
Thank you so much, Hugh. You're welcome.
Now what is this? I thought I told you that I went out.
Ah, yes, I was already here when I called you. I'm so sorry. I'm actually on my way going back. Bye, Chief.
Am I chasing you out?
No, not at all. I will see you soon, Ada.
I don't even want to guess or assume that you have something going on with that my friend that just left here.
That is very wise of you.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey!
Jeffrey! Okay.
Jeffrey. Are you sure? My husband is not seeing my friend. I mean my friends.
Ma, you know I can't lie to you.
Very good. Jeffrey. I need a little favor from you. Jeffrey, I want you to tell me, please, where my husband keeps his money.
I'm sorry, madam. I can't let out such sensitive information.
Why, Jeffrey? Why? Do you know how depressed I am?
I'm really sorry about that, ma'am.
Jeffrey, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that I'm the one who granted your employment in this house? Don't you think I deserve to get this information from you?
Madam, I'm sorry. I can't do what you asked for. Besides, Chief would kill me. I won't only get fired. He can as well take my life. I'm really sorry, ma'am.
We have no joy, no peace of mind. We are like slaves. Slaves. This suffering is too much. Some of our problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. The pain is too much. Some of our problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Some of our problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Worrying and thinking has never solved a problem, but with prayers, faith, we shall always conquer this hardship. Thousands, millions, the pain is too much. Some more problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Some more problems.
Chike killed a goat. So we now say here, Chike, which is a noun subject, performing the action which is killed. Now the question is, what did he kill?
A goat.
That's
a goat,
right.
Mommy.
Good girl. So we go over to this one. So the goat is called what?
A goat is called an object.
Correct. Absolutely right. So,
Mommy,
yes, there.
I saw Auntie Daisy sitting on my daddy's leg yesterday.
You saw what?
I said that I saw Auntie Daisy sitting on my daddy's leg yesterday.
Okay.
But why is she sitting on my daddy's leg?
I think your Auntie Adeze was sick.
Is my daddy a doctor?
It's all right. Let's continue.
Okay, Mommy. An object.
Adeze, I want you to listen to me and listen attentively. You will also pass this message to your stupid friend, would you? Haha! The next time, I will see two of you close to my husband. What I will do to two of you, they will hear about us. Be warned. Idiots. Try me next time.
I don't blame you, Ada. Since you don't have the strength to handle your sex-maniac husband, why not allow me to take care of him for you? Idiots.
I will still be eating his money.
What in God's name have I not done for you? Kai! My body, you mess my body up and down anyhow you like it. Yet, you go after my friends. Orderly. My question is, am I not good enough for you? Answer me, orderly! What do you want? You want me to tear my heart out before you realize that I'm your wife, for you to give me that little respect. What do you want? I'm asking you.
Stop ranting. Stop ranting! I am not going after your friends. Get it into your taste call. I am not going after your friends.
Where are you going? Orderly! Orderly!
Problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. The pain is too much. Afofuma, some more problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Afofuma, some more problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much.
Sir, honestly, you have to believe me. I didn't say any word to Madam.
Jeffrey.
Sir.
If I find out that you told my wife what happened yesterday, I'll fire you.
Alright, sir.
Leave. Get out!
Where's the money?
Hey! Yes! Hey! Help me! Help us! Go and get them! Go and get somebody! Help! Another please! Another please! Just wait! Hurry up!
Adonai! What's going on here? Huh? What are you searching for? Look at the way you've turned the whole place upside down. What exactly are you looking for? Money.
Money. Looking for money. Orderly. Please. Eliezer called me that my brother Odinaka was shot by armed robbers. And the doctor told me that we should bring 100,000 just for him to remove the bullets from his body, else my brother would die. I'm begging you, do not allow my brother to die. I'm begging you, please, he's our last born. He's my mother's favorite. Please.
That is why you turned my bedroom upside down? Money?
Will you help me? Just save his life. I beg you, in the name of God. Don't let him die.
It's all right. I'm coming.
Are you bringing the money? He's coming. Is he bringing the money? Is he going to bring the money? Jesus. Do not allow my brother to die. Hey! My brother will not die. He will not die.
Jeff, go to the boys' quarters, okay? Prepare one room for me. That is where I will spend the night. Make sure you lock this door, huh? I'll see you tomorrow morning. Go.
All right, sir. Sir, the room is ready.
Good. Make sure you don't let my wife know my whereabouts, okay? Lock this door. Hmm? All right.
Pick up. Pick up, Odele. Pick up. Pick up in God's name. Chai! Odele. Jesus. God help me. God help me. Odinaka will not die. I will not lose my brother. Odele, answer your call. Answer. God, what is all this? What is all this? What is all this? My brother will not die. You 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 will not die. I've been taking care of them since I lost my parents. Nobody will die in my hands again. They will die. IG, please. Please. I need your help. Please. I'm begging in God's name. IG, our last born was shot this evening. He will die. IG, he will die if I don't deposit the sum of 100,000 naira. IG, before God and man, I don't have it. I don't have any hope of getting it. IG, please, I need your help. Sorry, the phone fell off from my hand. You have saved my brother. You have fought my battle. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you, Isaac. I will send it. I will send it. Yes. Thank you. Angel, let me send it right away. Hey! Adele! Where is your power? I have conquered. I take Bolog. I take accept my brother. Hallelujah. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Hey! Odenaka will not die. Mama! Odenaka will not die. I told you I would take care of them.
Your wife has stretched to the limit she can take. Do not relent. Do not feel empathy for her predicament. She's asking many questions that demands answers. Okay? But let me ask you a question, Grandmaster. Go ahead. Will she make any attempt to kill me?
Whatever she's going through now, she still sees you as her husband. But for the love she has for her brothers, she will do the unthinkable.
Grandmaster, you are getting me confused. You said she still sees me as her husband. And you are saying she will do the unthinkable. So, what are you trying to say?
For more than once, you've saved her from committing suicide. Correct? Mm-hmm. Good. Do you think that living on this planet Earth means a lot to her?
Okay. I see her spirit asking questions
and I see her eager to find an answer. I see a wandering spirit seeking for help, seeking for liberation.
No, it's okay. No one member. Sorry, no.
Don't tell me. If me, please. Why did you people save my life? You should have allowed me to die. Can't you see I want to die?
No, Mugu. I'm not cold. What am I living for? I'll body you with the long blanket. Are you talking? I'll keep quiet, my friend.
Leave him alone, Kwano. So that's the reason, eh? You fought gunmen without anything.
Yes, Auntie. Eh? Yes. Can't you people see that I want to die? I mean, are you people not tired of this kind of poverty? People not tired. If you're not tired, I am tired. Just want to die and rest.
Anakon, I don't know. Thank you so much. Don't mind this Mutu Mpafu. You know how stubborn he can be. You don't mind him. Yeah, I don't know. You just have to start going back before your husband gets angry with you.
Which husband?
Yeah,
which husband? Naibene, you better stop it. Come and carry me out. I will never. I will not go back there again. Eliezer, I won't go back there again.
What are you saying? You don't have to say that. You know he will be...
Stop it! Don't even go there. Just let it rest, please. Yes, Angel.
Take care of her.
She can stay with her father. I mean, he can stay with her for all I care. Let Angel stay with him. Let Angel stay there. No problem. Eh? You don't understand. You will not understand. Each time I step my feet in that thing you called mansion, your sister pulled from a model. Everything about me will just change. You will not understand. If you ever ask me to go back there, I will not go. This is my father's house. It's my father's house. I will stay here. Throw me. Leave me, please. Come and throw me out. Chase me out. Throw me away. You people don't know what I'm passing through. You don't know. You don't want to know what I'm going through in the house. And you ask me to go. I will never go back.
Let's leave her now. Let's let her rest. Let's leave her.
Oh, brother. Every time, Nana.
All before the show. All be
Where's your mommy?
She went to the hospital.
You mean she hasn't returned?
No, Daddy.
So, what have you been doing?
I was reading my book.
It's alright, let's go inside.
You have all experienced.
I still insist you go back to your husband's house. I don't know.
What's the problem? Can't Can't you just leave Adane alone? If her husband wants her, he knows where to find her.
I think my husband is right. Sister, you need to inform your husband you are here. I mean, it's a taboo to leave your husband's house without informing him.
It is a taboo for her to leave her husband's house without informing him. But it's not a taboo for her to run for her life. What are you people saying? Saying that man, Chifodele, wants to kill her and use her for money ritual, and you're telling her to go back.
See, my friend, stop saying what you don't know. Yeah?
Ta.
See? Ta. That's how he attacks me all the time.
Brother, leave that thing. Leave this thing. I know exactly what I'm saying.
Come on, my friend, stop that rubbish. Don't talk to your brother like that.
Don't tell me to stop it. So, if you people cannot see it, is it that you people can't feel it? You can't feel anything. Listen, let the truth be told for once. Brother, we have made a very serious mistake to give our sister to that ritualist to marry.
My husband is not a ritualist. The only thing here is that he's too stingy to help us. That's all.
Sister, clap for yourself. Koromegaka, the chief defender. Now, let me even ask you, which billionaire will allow his in-laws to suffer and beg when he's rich? Oh, don't you know that people will mock him? When he goes to a function, people will mock him and tell him you have the whole world. And yet, you let your in-laws suffer and wander the whole street to beg.
Onaka, watch your mouth. Mind what you say. I am not a beggar.
Brother, you're a beggar.
Naka, please stop insulting my husband.
He is a beggar. He's a beggar. Moments ago, he was begging Ogapo to free Keke for him. And he was also begging police people to let him go. Yes, even in the hospital, they asked him to bring 100,000 naira. He was begging them with 5,000 naira. But are you a beggar? All I'm saying is that you do not need to carry plate or to go to Chifodele's house to beg him, or even to carry plate and start walking all over the streets begging for money before you are called a beggar. If you don't have money to take care of your bills, sister, you are a beggar.
You see what you've caused? You see what you've caused with those things coming out from your mouth? Eh? Very soon I'll just leave you here and you'll be talking to yourself. I'll just go inside with my wife.
But you people can go. You can go, no problem. Truth is always bitter. You can carry on. You should have left me.
You're still talking, eh?
You should have left me. What is all this? I'm Atoche. You people should have let me die. Why did you have to save me? Good brother. Go on with that. You not here. Just look at. Fine house and nonsense house and a fine car. What kind of thing is this? You not listen to me. The only thing is that truth is always bitter, and it is not everybody that has the power to withstand it.
This suffering is too much. Problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. The pain is too much. Problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. Problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much.
Sister, Please don't hold what Odinaka said to you. Don't hold it tight to your heart. I'm sure he didn't mean all he said. Please. Sister.
But he made points. Just look at me. Take a look at me. It's my father's house. Take a look at my brothers.
Sister, all is going to be well. Crying and blaming yourself will not do anything. You need to be strong. Please put yourself together. Please, sister. Everything is going to be fine. Please. Say it's okay, not to go. No. Do you want me to cry as well? It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry.
Odinaka might be right. This is not an ordinary teen. But I have never seen my husband in a strange mood or in a secret room before. I mean, he goes to church and reads his Bible in my presence sometimes. Could it be he's covering up? Ah, God. Please help me. I am losing my strength. Please help me, God. But I must find out why he hates my family and does not show any interest if any of my brothers are assisting.
Adine.
Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, Mother. You sounded very urgent on the phone. Why are you not in your husband's house?
Uncle, I came to spend, some time with my brothers. I even took your number from Eliezer's phone.
But you look devastated. What is the matter?
Uncle, I'm suspecting my husband to be a ritualist.
Why did you say that?
I just need to find out if truly he is a ritualist.
In that case, it's very late now. You'll come back tomorrow. I'm going to take you to a great native doctor. He sees in the night. He's a very great seer. He will tell you everything you want to know about your husband.
No. Uncle, I want us to go now. I have enough fuel in this car that will take us wherever you want us to go. But I want to go now.
No. It is very late. Can't you see it's almost midnight?
Uncle, please, allow me to worry about that. Please, tomorrow might be too late.
Right.
Believe me, it might be too dangerous tomorrow. Please, I really need to go to that place now, like I said earlier. There's enough fuel in this car.
Well, if you insist, let us go. He's always there.
But, Uncle, if we go there now, can we see the priest?
He's always home. Every time he's there.
Then go inside the car, Uncle. Let's go.
Well, let us go,
please.
My dear. Let us go.
Ibo kwa na buchi wari evre wa yo jaba jojunde mo marere ye me ya bife. Ibo na tie fo no ba feke ka ne kwokwu ya. Akodo kusime. Take this. Round it on your head 7 times. Then smash the egg on the ground. Do you know what you have done? There's a strange eyes monitoring your movement. But at the break of that egg, the eyes cease to see you. He can never monitor your movement again. Now, you can talk. So what brought you to my shrine?
Thank you, Wise One. Wise One, I am a wife of a billionaire. My husband is stupendously rich. Very rich. But he hates my brothers. In fact, he hates everything that has to do with my brothers. I don't know why. When it comes to strangers, he can make a stranger to become a millionaire in a twinkle of an eye. But when it comes to my brothers, he will frown. So, Wise One, I'm here to find out if my husband is a ritualist.
You should be concerned about the abject poverty hovering around your brothers. Look at it. A dark cloud. Darkness upon darkness. Failures all the days of their lives.
Hey, may the gods forbid.
Your late father was a poor man, just like your grandfather and great-grandfather. But your grandfather from your mother's side was a king with wealth and prestige. So for that wealth to float in your father's compound, you have to make an ultimate sacrifice. So go home. When you're ready, you come back.
No, Wise One. I won't go home. I'm ready. Fully ready to liberate my brothers from this chain of abject poverty. I'm fully ready. Please, Wise One.
The child that is trapped on the back hurries the mother to hasten the movement without knowing that the journey is quite far. Go home and prepare your mind, then come back to me, because there are many things to reveal to you.
And I.
Yes, Uncle.
Let us go. You have had him. We'll come back now.
Yes, Uncle.
We are living in pains, no one to help us. Every day by day, from one trouble to another. We have no joy, no peace of mind. We are like slaves. Slaves. This suffering is too much. Some of our problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much. The pain is too much. Some of our problems every day. My God, where are you? The pain is too much.
What are you doing in my father's compound? You bloody ritualist! Oh, you think I'm afraid of you? No, you think I'm afraid of you? Man, you don't know me.
What are you doing? Huh?
Inasmuch as I detest you little boys, I can deny the fact that you are my in-laws.
We hate you! We hate you too!
Adnaka, wait, okay? Chief Orderly, please, what do you want?
My wife did not return home yesterday. I can perceive her presence around. I'm here to take my wife home.
And that name is not around. She went to see a friend at the neighborhood. And we are not done with our family meeting. So please, once we are done, she's going to return to you.
Brother, I don't like the way you're afraid of this man. Tell him the truth. Oga, Nanya, or Godini, or whatever they call you. She is not coming back to your house again. You want to go? So go and look for any other girl that you will marry to use and enrich your ritual self. I will cut off your head and use it as a football. You want to... Look at this one. This one.
Well, I've heard you're lazy. I will be awaiting her return.
Okay, go. No, go. I'm not afraid of him. I'm not afraid of you, Oga. Come on, here again.
Keep quiet now. Keep quiet.
No,
we are living in pains, no one to help us. Every day by day, from one trouble to another. We have no joy, no peace of mind. We are like slaves.
I might not see tomorrow.
God forbid. Oh, my sister, you will not die.
Sister, why are you talking like this now? What kind of talk is this one? Sister, stop it. Stop it now. You are scaring us now. Stop it. Stop.
All I want you to do for me is to take good care of Angel. She's very important to me. Eliezer, Ode, if I sleep and doesn't have the strength to wake up, please, on no account should orderly see my dead body. And I want you people to bury me within 21 days. Nothing more, nothing less.
Madame, I do not understand.